prison. So all our sons are important. We are asking for their release, the release of Nnamdi Kanu. We bring peace, unity, progress, and development, because things will begin to happen economically, progress, development. Things are begin to happen in the East. So this is nothing else but to ask for the immediate release of Nnamdi Kanu. It is important. We continue to ask all the way many people. I want to thank all those that have been talking, that have been working behind scene, doing all they can, talking to government, doing everything. Those that are commenting, sharing.